Hey guys, this is my first video and this is going to be a tutorial on how to make the noise with your fingers on your cheek. So first what you want to do is you want to stick your two fingers like this, and then you want to get whatever finger on your other hand that you want to use. I personally use my middle finger, so you're going to stick it in on your finger like that, where it's pushing on this skin that's right here. And then you're gonna put it on your cheek and you're gonna like push, and then you're just gonna pull this finger out while compressing it on your cheek, which is gonna release all that air pocket that's right there. So then you're gonna go, and it's gonna make that popping noise. Once you get this trick down, it's really easy to do. Really what you just do is you can just sometimes be like, you can show your friends how to do it. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.